Good morning students, welcome back. In the previous class we were doing the same thing, addition. Our topic is still addition, and in that addition class we have done addition of all of this in the 2.1 exercise. All these additions we have finished. Now we are coming to the word problems. Okay, so I have taken randomly a word problem which is the fourth question in your exercise. Why? Because the first and second will be easy once you understand the fourth question. Now I'm going to read out the question for you, then I'm going to tell you how you have to write the answer or how you have to solve this question. First thing, you need to know to read. Second, you have to understand the question. Okay, so let me read it for you. A public library in a city has 17,943 books in Kannada. Okay, 17,943 books in Kannada, 14,635 books in Hindi, and 10,284 books in English. Now what is that they want? This is the information they have given. They are asking how many books are there in the library altogether. Okay, so remember last year I taught you how you need to start with the answer. You have to write answer, okay, and given data. First you have to write down what is already given in the question. Okay, so we write given data. What is the given data here? Okay, the first thing which is given is books in Kannada. Books in Kannada language. Okay, books in Kannada. How many do we have there? It's written 17,943. Now what else is given? Books in Hindi. So books in Hindi. How many books are there in Hindi language? Okay, books in Hindi. Okay, how many are there? 14,635. So you're going to write 14,635. Now what else is given? And 10,284 books in English. So what we're going to write? We're going to write books in English. How many are there? 10,284. So now this is the given data. Now you have to write what you have to find. So we have to find how many books. How many books? What does it say? All together. All together. So we know that if you have to find all together, definitely we have to add all these three. The given data has to be added together to get how many books you need. Okay, so this is given data. Now what you do, you write these numbers one under the other according to their place value. So your first number is 17,943, that is 17,943. Now write the other number from that side because you have to make it just under this right number. So this is your units position, tens position, hundreds position, thousand position, and 10,000s position, right? So let us go in the second one. How you're going to write it? The 5 comes under 3, okay, and your 3 comes under 4, and your 6 comes under 9, your 4 comes under 7, and your 1 comes under 1. This is second one. And the third one is English. Again you have to write from this side according to their place value. 4 comes under your units place, 8 comes under your tens place, 2 comes under your hundreds place, okay, 0 comes under your thousand place, and then 1 comes under your 10,000 place. Now we are going to do the addition. This is your addition symbol. Okay, so let's start. 5 plus 4 plus 3. How you are going to count? 5 in your mind, 4 in your hand. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So you're going to write the 2 here, and the 1 is going to go in the carry forward. Now what next? 8 plus 3 plus 4. So 8 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in your mind, 4 in your hand. 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in your mind, 1 in your hand. So 16. So you're going to write 6 over here. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6, carry 1. Okay, now you have 9, 6 and 2. What are you going to do? Take the bigger number, 9 in your mind, 6 in your hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in your mind, 2 in your hand, 15, 16, 17 and plus 1, 18. So you're going to write 8 over here and 1 here. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 17, 18. 8, carry 1. Here you have 7, 4, 0 and 1 to add. I take the bigger number, 7 in your mind, 4 in your hand. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 in your mind, 1 in your hand, plus 1, 12. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So you write 2 over here and 1 carry. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1s to add. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So where is the comma? How do you put the comma? After the first period. Which is your first period? Your units, tens, 100. After that the comma comes. Okay. So in the answer, after the units, tens and 100, your comma will come. Okay. So now what you can write? All together. Can everybody see this? Is it seen? Okay, 1 second. So how many books we have all together? We can write all together we have how many children? 42,862 books. So this is your answer. This is how I want you to write each and every answer. First you write the question, you write answer. In the answer first you write the given data. Then you write what you need to find, then you solve it. Okay, it comes like this. First you're going to write this, then you're going to write this, and finally you're going to write the answer like this. Okay, this is your answer. Altogether we have 42,862 books in the library. Okay, so you understood this. Let's move on to the next sum. Second question, which is your fifth question in your textbook. Okay, this question says, in an assembly election 3 candidates were polled and 32,135 votes, 29,048 votes and 4,951 votes respectively. So 3 of them got different votes. Now they want to know, find the total number of votes polled. So how we are going to do it? First answer, okay, then as usual given data. Okay, so first candidate, how many votes did he get? He got 32,135 votes. Okay, and so the second candidate, how much did he get? He got 29,048 votes. Okay, and the third candidate, first, second and third candidate, how much did he get? It shows very low, no? 4,951 votes. Now what we have to find? Total number of votes. What is that? Find total, okay, find total number of votes. Okay, how are we going to find? Obviously we're going to add all the 3 candidates' votes together. So write the first one here, 32,100 and wait a minute. You're going to write it a little apart so that it is easy for you to add. 32,135, right? 32,135. Given data also we have written. Second one is 29,048. So we start from this side. 8, 4, 9 and 2, right? 29,048. And this is 4,951. See, this is why I want you to write under the right place value, because now you have a different one, different number, which is having a less number of digits. So let's start from this side. 1 comes under units place, 5 comes under tens place, 9 comes under your hundreds place, and your 4 comes under thousand place. In this we don't have anything under your 10,000s place. Okay, that is okay, that is all right. Okay, now we're going to do the addition. So it is 5 plus 8 plus 1. Take the bigger number. 8 in your mind, 5 in your hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 1, 14. 4, carry 1. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is 13. 3, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 15, 16, 6, carry 1. So here you don't have anything, so you add 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 1, 6. So this is your answer. Okay, 66,134. So total number of votes is equal to 66,134. Okay, this is your answer. This is how you are going to solve it. Okay, I have done 2 for you. There are 3 more in the textbook that I am going to give you as a homework. I want you to finish the whole exercise. Okay, so see you again. Until I meet you next week, remain safe and remain at home. Okay, bye.